Within this video breakdown, I'm going to show you how creators are making anywhere from 5,000 and more every single month by only sharing Bible verses online, and how you'll be able to do the same thing. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first channel that I'm going to show you that's actually doing this is called Atmosphere of Grace. And if you can see here, they have over 300 videos. This can be duplicated by using AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, when it comes down to their income, it looks like at the minimum they're making around like $3,000 a month according to this tool. Now, this could be more based on different sponsorships and partnerships that they have. It's always more than what we see here from this tool. So another channel is actually called Grace for Purpose Prayers, and it's the same concept. Now, if you see right here in their YouTube banner, they are monetizing this by sharing their book that they have available online. And the good part about it is you can also put a book on Amazon, Barnes and Nobles. Nowadays, that's really easy to do. And when it comes down to how much money they're making, if you can see here, their estimated monthly earnings is up to $27,000, and that's pretty good for a YouTube channel. And yet again, they're not in front of it. It's completely faceless, and the voices can be generated with AI. And the last example I'm going to show you is called Rivers in the Desert. They have roughly only 34 videos, faceless, nobody is behind it. And another good thing about it is, with this channel, they do a lot of black screen. So that means they're not even adding videos throughout the entire video. They just have the Bible verses playing and one picture, and the rest of the video is a black screen. So I thought that was pretty cool. And if you can see here, they're only roughly making around like $500. But like I say, this is just what we can see from this tool. You do not know how much more they are making, but for the sake of the views and only having 34 uploads, it's pretty good. So here are the channels. You can go ahead and check them out yourself. You can see like the traction that they're getting, the views that they're getting, but they are getting enough to where they're making some type of money online. And remember, it's always a building process. So seeing these numbers at different ranges shows you that with consistency, you can make a lot of money, and just starting, you can make a lot of money. And how easy is it to just share Bible verses that you find interesting, that you find a connection to, sharing it with the world and making money with it. So I'm going to give you more of a breakdown of how it's actually being done. They're sharing Bible verses and breakdowns. Now, this could be Bible verses personally. They could get them from online just by searching online, and or they could be AI generated. So there's an unlimited amount of Bible verses that are available. Just consider the whole Bible. And people want to see these Bible verses. They want to hear different perspectives. They want to see breakdowns. And you can provide these people with what they're looking for and make money in the process. Now, overall, there's only two reasons why they're creating videos. One is for money. And when it comes down to the money, that can be either through sponsorships, affiliate programs, Google AdSense, or even selling their products and services. Just how you seen on the other page where they were monetizing by selling their product, which was a book from Amazon. And they could be creating a video for views. And more than likely, it's going to be both. So for one, they can do it for traffic, audience building, and placement. And when I say by traffic, it's just basically all of the views that is going to the profile. Those are people. And so if they put different call to actions in their videos, or if they put a link in the description, that's traffic going to a specific website or whatever else they want somebody to do. The audience building is if they have funnels and stuff, they'll be able to categorize their audience. And then for placement, a lot of companies would like to pay for placement in terms of getting in front of those people that's watching these videos. Same thing as Google AdSense, but it's a little different. But nonetheless, this is the process, and it's very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the step-by-step of how to get this done. First, you're going to get your Bible verse. That could be personal, that could be online, or you could generate it using AI. Then you're going to generate a voiceover. Now, there is AI tools that you can use, or you can use your own voice. It'd be best for you to use your own voice, but if you need to use AI, AI is available. Then you're going to generate images. Now you could take your own images of different things that inspire you in your house or that you see outside or anything like that, or you can also use AI to generate images for you. Then you're going to create the video. Now you could use free editing tools to do this, so you don't have to worry about spending any money. And then you're going to just post online and start the process of monetization. Now, the good thing about this is you can monetize this right out the gate. And what I'm doing in this video is just only showing you the overview, just to spark the conversation of how this can be done and how it's already being done and how you can actually do the same just by following these simple steps. So now that you've gotten to this point of the video, I want to make an offer where I help you create this for yourself. Now, it's one thing to get online and watch the Bible verses and hear the different videos and stuff, but believe it or not, these people are making money and you can actually do the same. And I know it may look kind of technical and a lot of work and a lot of steps, but it's not that complicated if you do your part by sharing the different Bible verses that you're interested in, sharing your viewpoints, and making things work for you personally. And with that being said, I'll be able to come in, help you with the technical stuff, help you with the video editing, help you with the music, help you with the images and everything that's more technical, so we can just focus on uploading every day, getting the word out, and actually helping you build this fortress for yourself, because there's money being made every single day. And why not get a part of it? Since you already have an interest in Bible verses, why not? So that's just what I want to put on the table for you. If you are interested, go ahead and comment below, and I'd love to share more information with you, help you as far as I can, and just work together to help you achieve this goal. So with that being said, until the next video, I definitely hope you have a good one.